In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background in Zoom. So I will assume that you already know how to get into a meeting, right? So I already have one here. That is my hand. Hello, what's up? What's up, guys? Anyway, so to change the background, you gotta go to the Zoom app, and here in the top right corner where you have the little settings icon, you click here, and then you will have the option in here where it says background and filters. You click that, and as you can see now you have your main camera. That's the camera again. So if you want to change the background, you can just choose one of these, for example. There you go. It's a little bit spotty, but whatever, it does the job. And you can even add a video to it, right? So you have several options in here, and I think when you first do it, you're going to be asked to download them. Of course, this works way better if you have a green screen. I don't, so the camera is just doing as best as possible to identify what's me and what's not me. So you can also add your own background if these are like not good enough, right? So you can click the plus icon and click add image or video, whatever. I'm just gonna choose one real quick here. And you see, I have my own image. This is so spotty, but with a face, it will work way better. I assure you that. And if you have good lighting, it's gonna be even better. So that's how you can change the background of your Zoom call. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.